Hello everyone. In today's class we are going to see how to solve binomial distribution question using the Minitab software. For that, first open the Minitab software, then go to the calculation, probability distribution, and then go to the binomial distribution. Now let us take one example, and this example, the solution of this question you can see via this YouTube link, or you can directly search via this title on YouTube. So this is the example question, and here the sample size is 40 given, sample size is equal to 40 is given, and then probability of non-conforming or the defective items is also given in the question, that is 0.05, and we have to find the probability of obtaining no more than 3 non-conforming items in the sample. So no more than 3 defective items means either we have 0 defective plus 1 defective plus 2 defective plus 3 defective. So here we are going to calculate the cumulative probability. So in Minitab binomial distribution, select the cumulative probability, and here number of trial, that is the sample size, is equal to given 40. Then event probability is given 0.05. then input constant is given 3, because we have to calculate for no more than 3 non-conforming items. Then simply click OK. So here we get probability of no more than 3 defective items using cumulative binomial distribution function, and here it is given n is equal to 40 and p is equal to 0.05. so we get probability x is less than x. Here value of x is 0, small x is 0, 1, 2 and 3, so we get final answer is 0, that is cumulative probability is equal to 0.861850. And when we solve this question using formula, binomial distribution formula, we get probability of x is less than 3 is equal to 0.8618. so you can see here both the answer are same, and it is very easy to solve via Minitab software.